Example next to problem number 8. That's example 6.13. Find the number of teeth to avoid undercutting when the addendum of the teeth is 0.84 module. Gear ratio is 3:1. Find the length of arc of contact. In terms of module, pressure angle is 20 degrees. So addendum is 0.84 module, that means addendum constant is 0.84. Gear ratio is G is 3, pi is 20 degrees. So to find the minimum number of teeth on gear, so capital formula T is 2 into AW into bracket square root of 1 plus 1 by G sin square pi 1 by G plus 2 bracket close minus 1. Substituting this we have 37.75 or 38 number of teeth, capital T. So small t is T by capital G. So 38 by 3, that is 12.60. So we can take it as 13. So therefore capital T will be 13 to the 39. So these are the correct numbers. Number of pinion is 13 and number of pinion or gear is 39. So P circle is R is MT by 2 M 39 by 2, that is 9.5. And addendum of gear is R plus addendum, that is 19.5 20.34 module, which module is unknown. P circle is opinion R is small MT by 2, that is 6.5 small m. Addendum of gear is R plus addendum, that is 7.34 m. Length of path of contact square root of R square cos square pi plus square root of R square cos square pi minus R plus R sin pi. So we have substituting the values, we have 4m module. Length of arc of contact LPC upon cos pi 4m upon cos 20 is 4.25 m.